When your shipment arrives, thoroughly examine the packaging for any punctures, dents, or signs of rough handling which may have occurred during shipment. If the package is damaged, it must be noted on the carrier's delivery slip or bill of lading, and a freight claim must be filed with the shipping company, as freight damage is not covered under warranty. After moving unit to its final location, slide the cardboard carton up and off the unit, being careful not to rub against the cabinet. All accessories are carefully packaged and secured inside your cabinet to prevent damage. Remove accessories and set aside. Your milk cooler comes with the casters pre-installed. 2 bolts secure the cabinet to the wooden skid. The bolts are located at each end on the underside of the cabinet. Using a 3/4 inch socket or open-end wrench, remove the bolts. You can now remove the milk cooler from the skid. Never lay your model on its front or sides, and dispose of all packaging materials properly. A serialized data tag is permanently attached to the inside right-hand wall of your unit. In addition to identifying the specific product, this label provides important information regarding electrical requirements and refrigeration charge, as well as agency listings and factory contacts. The model and serial number should be noted on the front cover of the operations manual provided with your unit. If parts or service are ever needed for your unit, this information will be required to verify warranty status and to properly identify any parts that may be needed. When considering a Continental Refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.